Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must begin by verifying essentials: your device IP, gateway, and DNS. Once done, update firmware and the Grass client, then reboot. This removes transient state. Next, map the network topology so you know which node reports quality 0. Start a terminal and run basic pings to the gateway and node. You need reachability confirmed. If any hop fails, isolate that segment now. Don't proceed until pings to local infrastructure succeed. With reachability confirmed, perform a traceroute to the Grass node to find the exact failing hop and measure latency or packet loss. Then inspect NAT and firewall rules. Misrouted or blocked ports often force quality 0. Adjust MTU to 1400 where fragmentation appears. That fixes many path issues. If configuration looks correct, swap cables and change ports, or move the node to another subnet temporarily. These steps reveal whether, after applying route corrections and firewall fixes, restart the router and the Grass node so changes take effect. Next, run continuous ping and trace route for 2 to 5 minutes to confirm consistent, low-loss responses. Stability here converts quality 0 to measurable values. If the node still reports quality 0, enable debug logging on the Grass client, collect timestamps and packet captures, and escalate to your upstream provider or support team with those artifacts. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent loss persists, test at off-peak hours to separate congestion from configuration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.